Uy, ang dumi daw. Gogo. When you touch it, shing. Basta. Sheesh. So, guys, I'm gonna kwento-kwento kanina. So, Celine and I gonna buy a food in the canteen. Okay na nga to. So, we're we're here, diba, sa gilid. And then, one of my tok-tok. Basta, nakausap ko. You gonna hear? I'm gonna panic. What I'm gonna do? But, Celine is there, so I'm gonna focus myself. Like this.
Bato ka ng library yan.
Why are you so angry? Are you hungry? She's not.
Why are you so angry? Or are you angry?
So the next topic we gonna talk about is they're also doing a sing like do sa first credit and collection. Gagawa sila ng kanta na iaano nila. Basta I don't know, buti na lang hindi kami kasali doon. May putok ko. Dali, I'm gonna ask you what it smells. Wala. Wala ko. Uy, wala. Away po with you. First year po.